Yo, this is Matt V2099, and today I'm going to show you how your AK might fire when you actuate the safety lever. Okay, so a month or two ago, one of my subscribers shared a video with me where he tells a tale about how with his Centurion C39, he basically flipped the safety lever up and his gun fired. However, it's his safety lever actually went above the let's see if I can make it happen. Went above the dust cover like this, and like maybe even further than that, like that. Okay, and that, so he flipped it all the way up like that, and his rifle discharged. Well, I'm going to show you. A lot of you already know why that may be, and some of you don't. But I'm going to demonstrate it. With a rifle down there. That's a C39. So basically there's two types of safety levers. There's the original full auto. They call it the full auto. It's just the original safety lever designed for the original AKM, and it looks like this. And then this is what's called a semi-auto safety lever. As you can see, basically they took this and chopped a notch out of it. Like this, if you chop it about right there and that way, and then leave that much left. So basically when you flip this up with what the full auto safety, it will actuate your disconnect the hammer and fire the rifle. Now when you flip this one up, since it's notched, it'll bypass your disconnect. So what happened was the dude, his rifle had a round chambered. He flipped his safety up. His safety actually went above the dust cover, triggered the disconnect, released the hammer, and fired a round. So if you do it properly, I don't know, something's wrong, probably wrong with his dust cover. It shouldn't go above the dust cover. I've never experienced that, except just now when I did it on purpose. Yeah, all of mine worked as intended. But that's something you need to know about if you have what's considered a full auto safety in your rifle. That's something that can happen. And if you have the dust cover off, in order to remove, like let's say, let's demonstrate this here. So let's say we want to just take this safety lever out. We just pull this thing up like this, and it comes right out, right? Well, if that was a full auto one, it would release the hammer. You can't do that without releasing the hammer. So I'll show you right here on this C39. So I have my C39. I've upgraded my my remote firing rig here. It's a little nicer than it used to be. So C39 comes with a full auto. See, you lift it, it just bam. Okay, so I have a flashlight in there now. So let's cock the hammer. Let's pull up the... Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to load this rifle and we're going to fire around that way. It's really not that dangerous. We're contained here. It's just going to fire like normal into our targets and our earthen backstop over here. So it's not like... I try to pretend a lot of the stuff I do is dangerous to piss people off, but this really isn't dangerous. We got one live cartridge here. Let's put it in the chamber. There we go. We got it's in the bolt. There we go. We got it round chambered. Okay, got my operator gloves on, my ears on. Let's put this. Okay, let's do this. I hope that made sense. Like just actuating a full auto safety. A lot of people, what they'll do is they'll do a modification to their safeties where they cut that little groove. However, if you cut it wrong, you'll need a new safety. I'd just buy one. You can order these almost anywhere. It's a good upgrade replacement. Actually, I should make a video on my second channel, Best AK Upgrade, Full Auto to Semi-Auto Safety Select Lever. Why is this safety so bent? That's this. I think that's the one that came with the C39. hopefully that can save somebody from a seriously shitty situation. That's just one thing to always know with an AK. You know, if you have a full auto safety, don't lift this unless you're 100% certain that chamber's empty. Anyways, thanks for watching. Matt B out.
Thank you for watching, and if you made it this far, I would love to hear what you have to say in the form of a comment. Let me know what you thought of the video and tell me what other types of videos you would like to see. And if you want to drop a like or a dislike, that's also huge, and I would appreciate it. Thank you, and Matt B out.